Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick tutorial on how I refresh my braids. So I'm going to spray it with some water. I'm going to add my gel, which was the extreme gel, and then I'm going to add my edge control, which was even, and then I'm going to just twist it until it looks really neat. So basically that's what I'm doing just to the front. Okay guys, so once in a while I would use my brush, my edge brush, and try to get the hair in place with that, or I would use my tail comb, but I didn't really want to use a comb too much because I didn't want to like pull on my hair, so that's why I'm mostly using my fingers. So guys, then I would tie it down for like 10 to 15 minutes, not too long. And then I would take my head tie off and you will see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after it's been tied down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.